subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Hello friends, welcome to our channels. So today we are going to see the another chapter which is taken out from Flamingo book and standard 12. Right, the chapter name is Last Lessons, written by Alfonso Daudet. Now when the Alfonso has written this chapter, he has taken out the period, that means time of that, and the time about the war. That means war was held between the France and Persia, and in that war that Persia has won on the France also that, and because of that from the Berlin that order has been coming out that in the France there are two districts, that Alsace and Lorraine. In that two districts, that first casualty happened that their own language, that means France, is not going to be taught that, and instead of that German language is going to be taught. So this first casualty happened that. Now before we are going to see the chapters, first of all we'll have to see the theme of the chapters. Now what is the theme of the chapter? The first one is that impact of war on the lives of people. You know friends, whenever war is going to be happen in any country, whether any country is happen that always it is not impacting on a political views, even it is not impacting on a economical views, but also that it is definitely impacting on the lives of the people, and they have to suffer also that. Now second thing is that importance of their own language or linguistic identify. You know friends, that our identity is related to language also, and that's why it is called linguistic identifications, because we are always recognized, we are always known by the language. And if suddenly it happens that our language has snatched away, and instead of that somebody has taught us that we are going to learn different language, so that might difficult for us. That means we are going to lose our identification also that. So that's why the theme is like that. Now let's see the chapter that. Now this chapter is surrounded by the one boy whose name is Franz, who is a little years boy also that. Now the scene has been started like that Franz was getting late in the school, so he ran away. Even for being late and he ran away, he forgot that today Mr. Hamels, who is a French language teacher, that he has given the homework also that, and homework is that to remember participle also that. So he forgot that, he couldn't prepare that, so he just run away as usual. Actually he daily that he is being late, so today also that he run away. Now during the way, please friends remember that during the way some unusual things happen that, and he's going to notice that. Later on I'll tell you that why he has noticed this and what is the importance of that. So first thing is that as he ran away, he saw that crowd was standing nearby the bulletin board. Now the importance of bulletin board is that every bad news is being written on the bulletin board. So this time also that there was too much crowd. So Franz was thinking like that today what bad news has been occurred that. But as he is being late, so he doesn't want to stay that. So he just run away to the school. Now as he reached to the schools, the second surprise that he got at, that in the school there is a silent atmosphere is that. That means every children are sitting in the class. Actually daily something else has been different that. For example, every day he comes at and the children are going outside, children are playing outside, even lots of boys come out that, and because of that he has got the benefit. Why? Because every day he is being late, and because of the children outside, they are playing outside, they are making noise too much. So because of that noise, because of that child playing, that he ran away to the class without notice also that. But today as he saw that children are not outside, even the silent atmosphere just like Sunday morning, because you know that in a Sunday there is no school, and that's why in a school ground and in school areas there is a too much silent atmosphere is spread out that. So similarly it happens also there. So as he went out to the class, just as he went out to near the class, he realized that today definitely Mr. Hamel is going to scold him, and even everybody will notice him as he enter in the class. So as he enter in the class, Again he got surprised that Mr. Hammers had not spoken anything. Instead of that, he welcomed him and he said that, "Oh Franz, you are coming back. Please come inside, and without yourself, we are going to start it. So it's a good thing is that you have finally come there. So go and take your seat there." So Franz was in dilemma. Franz was in a confusion position that what is happening right now, and he just sat on the last bench. So after a few minutes, when he relaxed himself, then he noticed another thing is that he noticed that villagers were sitting on the last bench also there. So this is also surprise that now he was thinking too much that today what is happening, that something happened today. As he realized that something happened, because there are so many unusual things happen on the way of schooling. Now the another surprise, as he noticed Mr. Hamel. He saw that Mr. Hamel has worn different kind of clothes. That he has worn the beautiful green coat and even the black cap, which is embroidery also that. And this kind of cloth he used to wear on the prize ceremony day or on the inspections day. But today he has worn, that means something happened also that. So he was thinking too much and he was in a confusion position totally that. So after a few minutes, Mr. Hammer stood up and he announced that friends, today is your last lesson of French language. Because from the Berlin that order has come out that two districts, that Alsace and Lorraine, that French is not going to be taught. Even instead of French, from tomorrow you are going to be taught German language. So today Franz and myself, also the last lesson itself. Now Franz has got the answer also that. That means whatever he has seen, the unusual things, now everything is putting in the one plate. That means we are going to see that listed things, that what unusual thing is that, and this might beneficial for your answer also that. So listed of unusual thing is that first one is that there was too much crowd on the bulletin board also that. Second thing is that atmosphere is very calm at the school ground. Third thing is that villagers were sitting on the last bench. And fourth thing is that Mr. Hammers has worn a different kind of clothes also that. So everything's just only for the one reason that this is the last lesson of French language today, and that's why even the last lesson of Mr. Hamel also that. So this is the reason that this unusual thing happened. Now Franz was in a totally dilemma also that, and he was feeling regret, he was feeling guilty also that, because till today he has not paid attention on the French lessons, even the French language also that. So he has not known anything regarding to French language. He has not learned anything that regarding to French, because he has not paid attention on the French language. And today, as he came to know that this is the last lessons and tomorrow he is going to learn another language, so this quite surprise for him. And that's why he is feeling guilty about himself. That what I have done it that. I had to pay attention that. I had to learn this thing that. Because this is an unexpected day has come that. So when he was thinking like that, all of a sudden he heard his name. Because Mr. Hamel has announced the name. And he realized that Mr. Hamel is going to ask him the homework which is given by him to remember the participle. That means he has to recite the participle. But because of these tensions, because of the dilemma, because of these confusions, he has not done anything. And he has not been knowing also that. So Mr. Hammers tried to calm him, and Mr. Hammers is trying to say him that, look, Franz, that I know that you haven't studied well. I know that you haven't paid attention, and I know that you are feeling guilty right now. So I'm not going to scold you. I'm not going to punish you, because I know that you feel regret about yourself, that why you have not learned this, why you have not prepared this thing, and you are feeling regret about this, that I know very well. So I would like to tell you that there are three mistakes had been done that. The first mistake, that is my mistake, that I have not paid attention to you. Even so many times that I have other works that I always give you work, that I always tell you that please go and work, and please even I sent you so many times to my garden also, that for doing the gardening also, that and I run away for my another works. So that's why my mistake is also that. Second mistake is your parents also, that because your parents always expected that their son is going to work in some mills or in other places also, that means by doing this thing their son is going to earn something. So your parents also are responsible for this, because their parents mistake is there also, that they expected this kind of thing. And third, but obviously your mistake is also that you hadn't paid attention about this thing, that so this is your mistake also, that so we are all responsible behind this thing, that and that's why we are going to get the biggest loss today also, that so by doing this thing, by telling this thing, after that few minutes Mr. Hamel has starting to distribute some notes also, that which he had brought about, because after finishing the reading lessons, reciting lessons, the writing lesson is going to be started also, that so that's why he had distributed beautiful notebooks to everyone also, that and the another surprise that France has got, that everyone kept on writing, that everyone was busy, that and there is a pin drop silent also, that means there is not a single voice come out, that too much silent atmosphere, that and France was in his thoughts. I mean, yes, France was not writing anything, he was in his thought, that what is happening today. I mean, just it is a totally beyond his imaginations, beyond his thought also, that because he was not expecting in the morning as he is coming to the schools, he was not expecting this kind of day, that and suddenly the days has been changed. So while he was thinking, a different voice come out in his ear, and that voice come out from the peasant. That peasants were sitting there and they were cooing also, that so France was thinking like that maybe these peasants are going to taught also, that to speak in a German language or sing in a German language. So by doing means by this sentence, that writer wants to say that wherever war happen in any countries or any cities, right, casualty happens also, that but war happened, that and the country won on another country, so maybe that country also, that they forced people to be inside also, that but only birds and animals are being free. That means they are not forced to change their language, they are not taught to use their different language. Birds and animals are always being free to use their own language, whatever they have been using also, that so by doing that, writer want to emphasize that birds and animals are always being free also, that so after he has paid attention about the peasants, now he moved on the Mr. Hamel also, that and he saw that Mr. Hamel his sad face also, that so he realized that Mr. Hamel also in a dilemma also, that means Mr. Hamel doesn't want to go, because he has spent 40 years here. So he's going to miss also, that he is at the garden also, that where he has worked, so he's going to miss the garden also, that he's going to miss the school also, that he's going to miss the student also, that so everything he is going to miss it. And France was staring Mr. Hamel's face also, that and he realized that what Mr. Hamel was thinking, that means he realized that Mr. Hamel was feeling so much bad, so much sad, but he is not trying to show up that. Right after a few minutes, Mr. Hamels again declared something. He announced something that and he wants to say everyone, that students and villagers also, that guys, you know what, that language is a key of prisoner also, that means he wants to say that he wants to make importance that why the language is important. That means wherever as a people we are being enslaved and we were sent to the jail, that means we are kept in the prison also, that but the language, only one thing is that we are free to use it, right? So language is a key of prisons also, that and that's why the importance of language. So by this sentence also, that writer want to show that how much Mr. Hamels loved French language. According to Mr. Hamels, that French is a beautiful language, is a soft language. But actually it is not a true that, because all languages are beautiful, right? All languages are beautiful. But yes, right? Mr. Hamels wants to emphasize about the French because he loved the French language. That's why. But language are our own identifications. Even France has noticed that Mr. Hammer's sister also that she is going to pack all the luggage also that, so she moved out the trunk also of here and there also that, and after that at the clock turn that, and that a time has come that lesson is going to be finished, that means lecture is going to finish also that. So Mr. Hammer very sadly stand up also that, and as usual that he couldn't speak too much, so he has written only in the board, on the board also that, and what he has written that way to France also, that means long live France. It the word it show that how much he loved France. So long live France he has written on the board, and after that everyone has started to leave the class, and even the Mr. Hamels also that. And here the chapter is going to finish also that. So in this chapter, it shows the importance of language and how the language affect of our lives also that. Because language are identification. As I say that in the beginning of the chapter, that language is a linguistic identifications. Because whatever state are we are having, for example, Punjab, Haryana, Tamil Nadu, Gujarat, whatever states we are having that we belong to the state, our language is the identification of that. Right? Our language is the identification. Just like in a Punjab state that people are using Punjabi. So that is a linguistic identification. Just like in a Gujarati also that, in a Gujarat. So this is called the linguistic identification. So in this chapter, the writer want to emphasize, writer want to show that how because of war, that it affects on the language, and because of that suddenly that language has been changed, and because of that changing language, that how the effect on the people's mind, how their mentality affected also that. So this is the chapter is going on, right? As I said earlier also that while you are attempting the questions, you must read the chapter and underline some important words. So while you are attempting answer, you can make your answer beautiful by using those words. Till then, enjoy yourself. In our next video, we are going to see another chapter. Keep watching our videos and subscribe our channel. Till then, enjoy yourself. Goodbye.